making some peach barbecue sauce to go on our pulled pork that I'm cooking in the Instant Pot. And I'm going to share that with you today. I picked up these lovely peaches and some apples at Jackson's Orchard when I went there. These look so delicious. I love their peaches. I'm just gonna take the skin off. I'm just gonna slice these up. I gotta taste it. Oh man, that's a good old peach. Okay, I'm gonna take the peaches that I've diced up or sliced up and put them in my Ninja blender. And then I'm gonna add a half a cup of water to it. We're gonna blend this up really smooth. Now I got my saucepan. I'm gonna add the puree to the saucepan. Should get all that goodness out there. Yummy, yummy. Okay, into this, I'm going to add a cup of ketchup. This is going to be sweet and spicy and savory. It's going to be delicious. Okay, and then a fourth of a cup of apple cider vinegar. A fourth of a cup of maple syrup. Stir this up a little bit. Okay, now to this I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. I've got a half a teaspoon of chili powder, a half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, a half a teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon each of garlic and onion powder, a half a teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt, and a half a teaspoon of pepper. After you get this all whisked up together, I'm gonna go put it on the stovetop and let it boil. We'll let it cook. It looks delicious already. Yummy, yummy. Okay, I'm also gonna add some lemon juice, some fresh squeezed lemon juice. Now it's ready to go on the burner. just want to let this come to a boil, and then you let it simmer for about 10 minutes, and then it'll be ready. It's been simmering for about 10 minutes, so I'm gonna try it and see if it needs anything. No, it's good. That's gonna be so good over that pulled pork. It's spicy and sweet and savory all at the same time. That's delicious. Okay, here is this delicious barbecue sauce. Here's my pulled pork I made. And then I'm gonna take my barbecue sauce and pour it over top. Oh man, that looks so good. I gotta taste it. Oh my gosh, it's delicious. Can't hardly sit still and eat it. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you have a great day. Enjoy this peach barbecue sauce.